Hey folks! I just finished watching The Bequeathed, a limited mystery series na bago lang sa Netflix, and it only has 6 episodes. Tungkol ito sa isang babae na out of the blue ay namatay ang kanyang uncle na matagal na niyang hindi nakita, and pinamanahan siya ng plot of land, the burial ground. However, she soon begins to be plagued by secrets that come along with it. I rate this 3.5 out of 5 stars. Yes, engaging siya, pero may times na it feels tedious, and lalo na kung hindi ka masyado patient sa mabagal ang pacing na maraming daldalan, baka mabore ka dito. There are times you feel as if you're being led on a wild goose chase. Actually, kahit yung university instructor na si Soha ang bida, ay equally important din yung characters nung police captain. Pati na yung best friend niya dati na dati niyang boss. They perfectly complement the relationship ni Soha, pati yung biglang nagpakilalang half-brother niya. We do not actually see the burial ground until, which is feeling ko sinadya ng director to drive the point na ito ay symbolism lang, na no secret stays buried forever. And, there's this age-old adage na the truth will set you free. Which is for me the greatest lesson of the series.